North Huron Wingham Station. Please respond at 42291 Salem Road. It's just east of Kiefer Line. Responding for a fire alarm sounding in the residence. No smoke or flames. Again, that's 42291 Salem Road for a residential fire alarm. Time of first page is 16:18:01. Attention North Huron Wingham Station, please respond for a residential fire alarm sounding residents of 42291 Salem Road, just east of Kiefer Line, west of Belmore Line. Residence has been evacuated, no smoke or flames. It's the second time the alarm is sounding today. Again, that's 42291 Salem Road for a residential fire alarm. Time of second page is 16:18:59. Wingham Fire, please respond.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Car 2, go ahead.
Wingham Station responding shortly.
Roger, Wingham Station responding shortly.
Fire dispatch, Engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
Show Engine 1 responding to 42291 Salem Road, Charlie plus 3 belted.
Roger, Engine 1, you're responding Charlie plus 3 belted at 16:22:33.
Dispatch, Car 2, Car 4 responding, command vehicle.
Roger that, Car 2, Car 4, you're responding 16:22.
Fire dispatch, Tank 4 responding, 2 belted.
Roger, Tank 4 responding 2 belted, 16:23.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Ladder 2 responding, Bravo plus 1 belted.
Roger that, Ladder 2 responding Bravo plus 1 belted at 16:23.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1 arriving on scene. Nothing showing, Charlie B command, the command will be mobile.
Roger that, Engine 1, you're on scene, nothing showing, Charlie in command and mobile at 16:29.
Dispatch Car 2 on scene as well.
Roger, Car 2, you're on scene, 16:30.
Fire dispatch, Tank 4 and Ladder 2 on scene.
Roger, Tank 4, Ladder 3 on scene, 16:30.
Command, Tank 4, do you want us just to stage at the road? Tank 4, you can just back in the room. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Dispatch, 360 please. We have a two-story modern style home. Nothing showing. I'll be assembling an entry crew part 2 to go and investigate.
Roger that, command 360 complete. You have nothing showing. Crew entering part 2 for investigation at 16:32.
North Huron command, call Blythe Station. Go ahead, Blythe Station command. Are you okay if I release Blythe Station? Yeah, roger that. Copy that, thanks. Command, don't tell me. Go ahead, Bravo. Command.
We have 0 reading. Kick, multi-gas. 2 eyes, 1. just dropping the guys off at this point. Continuing with the investigation.
Copy, you have 0 readings on the tick and the multi-gas Bravo, but the rest of your transmission was broke up.
Yeah. Have stopped on their own. We are continuing with the investigation.
Roger that, alarm shut off on their own, you're going to continue investigation. Fire dispatch, North Command.
Fire unit calling, go ahead.
Dispatch, entry team 1 has 0 readings on the multi-gas meter, nothing showing on the tick. The alarms have reset themselves. We'll be continuing investigation. You can also show command is stationary at engine 1.
That's Roger. The crew inside have 0 readings. Command is going to be stationed at engine 1.
Command, go Bravo.
Go ahead, Bravo, command.
Can you come to the front door and see if they state?
Yeah, roger that. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Dispatch, entry crew traced back to a faulty alarm inside the structure. Property is going to be turned back over to the property owner. Command is going to be terminated. All units clear and return to Wingham Station.
Roger that, command. You have a faulty detector located inside. Command is terminated. All units will be clear and returning at 6:51.